Welcome back. Today we're going to be cleaning a dryer vent. We'll get you some shots. This is going to be Tyler's first dryer vent cleaning.
Yep.
Got the shop back. Gonna fire up the compressor. Probably gonna use the snake one. It goes from the inside out. Plugger. So we're gonna be tearing the back of this apart and cleaning it as well. But I'll be running up through and then pushing everything out, and Tyler will be using a garbage bag to hold her. I'm going to cut a hole in the bottom of the bag, and then that way it'll have some pressure released, but that'll collect all the lint. It just basically goes up and out. Yeah, it's pretty full. Automatically sets down. I tweak that up to about 155 psi, even though it's rated for 135, just to kind of give me some extra push. I've never done this before, so I'm just trying new things here. So by doing this, cut a hole in this plastic bag, it will help relieve the pressure. It's clean, all right?
Put it in the car.
All right. There you go. And this one here obviously is a lumpy one because obviously you can tell it's got a big 30 amp cord. Careful. So there's one right here.
Yeah, bust it.
Okay. Grab. No. Pull that out. Let's see here. There's some more up here on top. That. And this should just be removed. And you can see all that stuff in there. The wheel's a little dirty, not bad. I'll vacuum all this up. And I'll go ahead and basically vacuum all this other lint stuff out. And yeah, it's not going to be too bad, I think. It's always important to use PPE, personal protection equipment, especially if you've got breathing issues. So instead of replacing this, I just cut off the bad portion. I'm going to mount that first, and then I'm going to make it to where it slides right in to that. So it'll save the customer a little bit of money. So that's nice and secure now. I'm going to slide this back and into there. When you're doing this stuff here, you got to be careful, wear gloves, even though I didn't. I'm a trained professional. I deal with metal all the time, even though I probably should wear gloves, because I'm sure some of them you're going to be commenting down below you need to wear gloves, because I've had that happen before. But you got to be careful. These ridges are really, really sharp. And I'm going to plug that back in. Keep your fingers away from the things there, because you'll get zapped. That's 230. Everything's all secure. Before, this is all jacked up. Now, like I said, I just cut this off, and then you don't want to throw screws in it. Once in a while I might throw one screw in this, but you shouldn't do that because of the lint. We'll catch on that, but everything is secure and we're good to go. We're going to vacuum this off, fire this up, and make sure it dries by vacuuming that up. Okay, go ahead. Just particular. There. If you're in the Battle Creek area, give us a call, Advantage Heating and Cooling, 269-966-9595, or you can go to my website, hotairnow.com, book a dryer vent cleaning appointment, and I'll see you on the next one.